Hello everyone. Ayan, dumating na yung order natin. Ito yung wheel and tire set para sa ating WPL C74 Jimny. Disappointed agad ako. Tingnan nyo naman si seller. Wala man lang box. It wasn't even in a box. I can already feel the tires. So I'm hoping nothing is broken. Sana wala namang nasira o na-deform. Di mo lang nilagay sa box for protection, diba? But moment of truth. Let's open it. Buksan natin. Okay. So it comes with foams or inserts. Okay. Makikita nyo naman, as you can see, malambot siya. Hindi kasing lambot nung sa Traxxas, pero pwede na. Wheels. It is soft. Malambot po siya. Sticky. Okay. Sticky. Size comparison, stock versus the new one, soft one. Size comparison, so mas malaki to onte. Okay, diameter wise it's bigger, and width, tingin ko pareho lang. Pero diameter, this one is bigger. Okay, and this is 72 millimeters diameter. Wheels are vented. Okay, one thing I've noticed, guys, dun sa shop may markings siya, LDRC, but this one doesn't have that markings. I also checked yung reviews, they don't have the markings as well. So I'm not sure kung ganun talaga or supposedly dapat merong markings. Other thing, if you guys are using metal axles, it fits perfectly. Okay, direct install. So stock screw, and that is it. Now if you guys are still using the stock axles, maluwag siya. It's a bit loose. Okay, there's like a 1 to 2 millimeters gap from the head of the screw to the wheels. So you need to shim it or put shims or washers. One washer. Okay, one washer is enough, guys. Size M2.5 to M3 will work. Okay. And we're gonna test it out in our 1/24 scale course. Basically, I just wanted to see if the tires has a good grip or better grip. So far, it's showing that it has a better grip than the stock tires, and of course, a lot softer. Okay, I actually like it better than the stock one. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I hope you subscribe and hit the like button, comment down below as well. Thanks.